Hi, I'm Zonya Foco, and whether you've seen me on PBS or read one of my best-selling books, or maybe this is our first time meeting. If I can't.
Very important. Zonya Foco, thank you very much. Great ideas. It was a pleasure.
I'm super excited to be coming to your town to share my simple secrets for supercharging your health sensibly. Your pancreas has to, whoa, she's got me, I gotta make insulin for that again. Whoa, I gotta make insulin for that, I gotta make insulin for that. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna make insulin all day long. And it's just tired. From what you eat and drink to how you move and groove, I guarantee you're going to laugh, learn, and be inspired to improve your health for a lifetime. Check the details on when and where, and I'll see you there.